Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Caraxes from House of the Dragon. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Caraxes, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then back like this. Then I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve around. Next, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to a point and then back for the horn. Then I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to make another line that's going to come up and down for the other horn. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and over for that other eye. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down here and a little line that's going to come here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down like this. Then I'm going to put a little dot over here for the nose. I want to make this line come down, and we're going to bring this back like this. Then I'm going to bring this line down. Then I want to bring this line down and then over to here. Put a little curve here for part of the mouth. And then we'll add some sharp teeth in the mouth and some sharp teeth here. They'll make a little line that curves up. Next, we'll make a little line here. And then a little line right here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make some little kind of like points and spikes right there. And then I'm going to make a couple little points here. Next, I'm going to make just kind of like a little curved line here and here for the horns. I'm going to kind of make this horn just a little bit pointier and bigger. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up like this. And then I'm going to bring this line up for the neck, and then I'm going to bring it down here. Then I'm going to bring this line up with a curve. Now I'm going to put a couple more little curves here. And then I want to bring this line down to here. I'm going to make some more little curves like this, just to kind of show some little bends in the body. And then I'm going to bring this line right to here. Next, I'm going to make this line come down and then back like this. And then I'm going to make a little point here for a claw, one here, and then one more right here. Then I want to leave some space. I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring it back to here. I'm going to bring this line up, and then down here, and then back. Because it's got like those, almost like an extra little wing by his feet. I'm going to make another little kind of broken line there. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and then up for that other leg. And then I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down. It's going to curve back like this. I'll make that little broken line. We won't really see all the detail of the foot, but we can just kind of see that it's back there. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up. I want to make a little point with like a curve. I'm going to bring this line up to a point and then back. Then I'm going to bring this line up. Next, I want to make this line really skinny, and I want to bring this all the way back down towards the body, and I'll get a little bit bigger here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then up, and then another one's going to kind of come down and then up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down to a point. We'll bring it up and then kind of curve it. And we'll bring this up and then down here. Make a little curve here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up, and then one more really skinny right there. We'll do the same thing here, a little curve here, make it really skinny, and another one there. Next, starting here, I'm going to make this line come up, and then down, and then back like this. And then we're going to make these really long, kind of skinny, wavy lines on here. So we're just going to make these really kind of skinny, wavy lines for the tail. I'm going to curve it down and make a couple more. And then I'm going to bring this back. Now, right here I want to add some spikes. So I'm just going to kind of add some long, kind of pointed spikes right along the back. And I'm going to make them get a little bit smaller as they come down here. Then I'm going to make some more kind of long, pointed spikes right down here. Then let's add the other wing. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come right up here to the neck. Then I'm going to bring this up. Make a little point here. And I'm going to bring this line up. Next, I'm going to bring this line down here and all the way back. Then I'm going to bring a line out here, nice and skinny, and bring it back. Then I'm going to bring a line out here with kind of like a curve, real skinny, and then bring it back. Next, I'm going to curve this line to here. I'm going to curve a line right here. And then I'm going to kind of curve this line in and then back down. Now we got our basic shape of Caraxes. Now we just want to kind of come in and add some different details. So one of the things I want to do is just a little bit of detail around the face, so like some little curves right around the mouth here. And then some little lines that are just kind of broken right around here. We'll draw a few little extra lines right in here. And then a couple little kind of broken curve lines for some extra detail. We'll make like some little claws. And then just a few little extra lines right around here. Some little curves on these claws here. And I always like to add a few little extra kind of broken lines right in here on the wings, just to give it some detail. And then a few little like broken lines right around here. Now the final thing I want to do is add a little bit of fire coming out of his mouth. So I'm just going to start here. I'm going to make a long, kind of pointed, jagged, kind of broken line like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. Just a long, kind of pointed, jagged line all the way around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Caraxes from House of Dragon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.